Let's do a ponytail. Alright guys, so today we're going to do a sleek ponytail, something different. So this hair is from Frodio hair. It is a ponytail. So this is, how many inches is this? I think this is 26 inch. A 26 inch ponytail. So this is like yaki straight. So it has a little bit of texture to it, but for the most part it's straight. But it's really thick, it's nice, it's long, all of that. And the good thing about this ponytail is that all you have to do is just slip it on. So it comes with a hole like this where you just slip your hair through, and where that band is right there, that actually acts as a drawstring, and you pull it tight. You're gonna see in the rest of this video how I jack this ponytail up trying to install it, because I did not realize you can pull that tight like a drawstring. It has a clip on there, and then it has the piece right here with a Velcro in that you just wrap around your hair to cover up the track part. But it's super simple, super easy to put on. Looks like this. Very easy ponytail, so you don't have to put any hair clips in your hair, no bobby pins. You don't have to put anything in your hair besides this. So sometimes when we do ponytails and stuff, we can put those hairpins in our hair or glue it around, and it takes so long to come off and all that stuff. This, all you gotta do is just slip it on. Just make sure you straighten it out and just put it on, and it's super easy. But the thing that takes long is doing the actual ponytail part if you got hair like this. So I washed and blow dried my hair, and we're gonna do a simple ponytail style. So this is how I do my sleek ponytail. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot comb this. Whew, it's like, oh, crinkly and scraggly and stuff. I'm gonna hot comb my hair to straighten it out, because that's what's gonna make for a nice sleek ponytail, is having your hair straightened out. You want to make sure that your hair is straightened out really well, unless you want to have a ponytail with like some texture or something like that. You want to make sure that you straighten your hair out. So you put a little bit of heat protectant on. I already put some on, and we're gonna hot comb the hair. So we're gonna make sure we hot comb this really good. Well, I'm gonna try to do it really good, because I be trying to just hurry up and get it over with. But I'm gonna try to make sure I do it as good as I can, because I just be wanting to hurry up. But in order for it to be sleek, you need to make sure that you hot comb and straighten the hair out properly. Like, that's what's going to work for a sleek ponytail. So we're going to hot comb this out. Alright, so I'm gonna do something simple because I couldn't decide what to do. So I'm gonna take this little wax stick, and I'm gonna just, because I'm gonna do kind of like a little part in the middle type thing. This is what I always do with these ponytails. Just to like lay the hair down a little bit and press it out a little bit more, because you want this thing to be like straight. You want it to be like super straight when you're doing these type of ponytails and stuff like that. A real sleek ponytail, you want it to be as straight as it can be. Or like I said, if you don't want a lot of heat on your hair, you ain't got to do it like this. You can do it without the extra heat. But this is just if you want it like extra sleek. Or if you're doing like a client or something like that, you need it to be straight. Especially if you want their hair to last. So I'm gonna leave these edges out. Now my edges broke off a little bit because of braids and stuff like that, so they're just growing in. So I've been wearing wigs and stuff lately. And I'm gonna use beeswax. Now you can use like hairspray and stuff and slick it back. That's harder to do on your own hair, but using beeswax is okay. You just don't want to use like a whole lot or do it like every single week or something like that, because then your hair is going to have like a buildup or film over top of it. Another thing you want to get is a hard brush. That's going to help, or you can use a comb, whichever one you are comfortable with doing, but that hard brush is what's going to get it sleek. Like, that's what's going to get this ponytail sleek, is that hard brush. You want to make sure you use some edge controls on the edges in the front and the edges in the back so that you can make sure it is sleek. So for the edge control, I got some basket leather edge control that I'm going to use. Stronghold edge control. Let me tell y'all something. It's hard to record videos in your phone, like while doing this on your phone, because I got to do YouTube video and I got to do TikTok at the same time. These little gray hairs is stubborn. So once you have that as sleek as you can get it, you want to go ahead and secure your ponytail. So I'm going to take my little mini flat iron and curl my little edges piece. I don't know where's my other one at, because this one don't be curling like that. Thick sideburn, but whatever. We're gonna rock with it. Hopefully this one act right. Now, I usually don't do my sideburns this thick at all. So this is what we got so far. And I'm gonna spray a little hairspray on here. So if you want to secure it, I would use Pump It Up, but I don't have any Pump It Up. I don't know where to pump it up at. Alright, so we got our ponytail all done and the base of it all done. And so we're going to take our hair, and the good thing about this is you can just slip it on like that. And it comes with these hairpins. And you can just take one of the bobby pins and secure it. Just secure it with a little bobby pin. Like that. And then you have the band right here. And the thing what I'm going to do with the band is I'm going to put a little hairspray on it. Comb that through. And let me see, which way is the Velcro? Okay, this way. Wrap that around. Sidebar, so I did not know that the elastic band, like the band around it, actually acts like a drawstring. So I did not pull the elastic band tight because I didn't realize, like, the way that this constructed is so decent that I didn't even notice that you can pull it tighter around the hair. Like, is it like a drawstring ponytail? But I didn't notice, so I was installing this all wrong. Okay, so there's a little hair clip in here. I'm like, that ain't gonna work. So you should be opening up this thing. Alright, so put that in there. And hair clip it on, because if you don't, it will fall off. Once that's hair clipped on, okay. Oh God, let me clip it on. Alright, it's clipped on, I believe. This little clip is not as sturdy as I'd like it to be because it keeps like slipping down. It's not like staying like clipped on like it should. Gotta be a little gentle with this. Alright, so we're finally getting it around. Shake a little bobby pin to secure that little piece. This is what it looks like. Ponytail. What y'all think? Would y'all rock it? It's a quick, simple ponytail, and it's all human hair. This is great if you wanted to put it in like a braid or something like that as well. But I'm gonna leave the links to this little ponytail. If you like it, you can check it out, see what you think about it. And it's real quick, real easy to put in, not too much to do. Like I said, I don't know if I like it too much for like tight ponytails, but if you just need a quick ponytail to go, this is going to be for you. And it's reusable, you can wash it and all that stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave the links in the description box for you to check it out, and let me know how y'all like it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel as well.